Hey y'all, you're welcome back to the channel. It's me DeeDee and this is DeeDee Squad. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY butt enhancer cream. So before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification beside it so you always be notified anytime I drop new videos. So guys, let's get started with the mixture. So what we need for this serum is a Vaseline. Vaseline helps to enhance the body. It's really good in massaging, and we need extra virgin olive oil too. So first of all, we are going to take a teaspoon of Vaseline. Then you add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil too. Then mix them together for your serum. Stir properly to mix. Then after mixing properly, you can store it in a container for future use. So your butt serum is ready. All you need to do right now is take a little from it and massage on your butt. Yeah, just the same way I'm doing it. Just need to massage it upwards, massage it in a circular motion to circulate the blood, the flow of blood. Massaging helps to permit the flow of blood, so you massage it upwards, not downwards, to avoid your butt from sagging. You massage it upwards thoroughly in a circular motion. Yeah, that's it guys. That's how to prepare this serum. As simple as that, just 2 ingredients and your serum is ready. Massage it. That's the way to massage it. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell notification beside it so you always be notified each time I drop new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.